Hi there! In this free Buyer Clicks for Life review, I'm going to show you a tool that can help you get ultra-targeted buyer clicks for free using a smart LinkedIn traffic hack. Stick around because I'll also walk you through all the upgrades, OTOs, so you'll know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm an experienced six-figure affiliate marketer with over 5 years in the industry. I make these reviews to help you find the best tools and strategies to boost your online income. If that sounds good, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell notification so you never miss an update. Oh, and before we dive in, I've got some exclusive bonuses for you if you decide to grab free buyer clicks for life through my link below. Check the description for details. You don't want to miss them. What is free buyer clicks for life? Free Buyer Clicks for Life is a step-by-step training program that shows you how to reverse engineer LinkedIn to get free, ultra-targeted buyer clicks in any niche, without messaging anyone, without outreach, and without paid ads. It's designed for anyone who wants to generate steady buyer traffic that can turn into easy affiliate commissions, fully automated and repeatable. What's cool about this system? You don't need to be a tech wizard or spend a penny on ads. The method taps into LinkedIn's hidden traffic sources, so you can get clicks that convert. Now, I want to be honest, this isn't a magic button that makes you rich overnight. Free buyer clicks for life gives you the tools and strategies to build real traffic and commissions, but you'll need to put in consistent work to see results. Standout features. Here are some standout features that caught my eye. Automated buyer traffic. Get free buyer clicks daily from inside and outside LinkedIn. No messaging or outreach needed. The system works without you having to contact or talk to anyone. Works in any niche. Whether you are promoting health, finance, or digital products, it works. Step-by-step training. Easy to follow, even if you're a beginner. Boost affiliate commissions. Turn clicks into sales with proven strategies. How it works. It's pretty straightforward. Step 1. Learn the LinkedIn reverse engineering method to unlock free buyer clicks. Step 2. Use the clicks to drive traffic to your affiliate links or offers. Step 3. Watch commissions start rolling in as the system runs on autopilot. No tech skills or cold outreach required. Okay. Let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more.
3,000 buyer clicks a month at no cost to you. I know it's a big promise, but if you can stay with me for the next 2 minutes, I'm going to prove it to you. First of all, my name is Tom E, and I know a lot of people in this space have been promised buyer clicks before, yet you received crap clicks instead, no buyers. So I'm going to cut the bull crap right now and start by telling you what a buyer click really is so that you know what to expect from me. So let's say someone, let's call him Joseph, buys a method on making money online on a Wednesday. Then on the following Saturday, he clicks on your affiliate link for a method that also teaches how to make money online. Now that is a buyer click. It's called that because Joseph is about 1,000 times more likely to buy from you and make you a nice commission than if he had not purchased that other product first. That's a buyer click. And I'm going to show you how to get up to 3,000 plus Josephs a month clicking on your links in any niche you like, even if you don't have anything to sell right now, and it's not going to cost you a dime. First, I'm going to show you what 3,000 true buyer clicks can do to your bank account. I'm going to switch over to my computer now. So I'm in one of my Warrior Plus accounts here, and I've dialed in a recent period here for about a month. As you can see, 2955 hops, so that's almost 3,000 hops. Clicks, in other words, and I made $5,503. And click go here so you can see that this is not just some like manufactured screenshot. As you can see, 2955. But just to show you that it's repeatable, how about we go way back in time? Let's see, I don't know, 2019, sure. Let's go February 16th. Okay, now I'm curious. Hopefully I didn't make any money on that month. Let's see, how about a month later? 3 and then, whoops, 19, and then let's see what happens. Hopefully it was a good month. Whoa, look, $12,000. All right. So I had a little more clicks. I had 200 more clicks there. So it's about 3,000 clicks, which is, what we're telling you, which we're going to deliver. But check it out. So $12,000 out of 3,200 clicks on the other one. If we go back, I got, a little less than 3,000 clicks and $5,503. And that is what 3,000 buyer clicks really looks like. And if you're willing to follow what I tell you today, that can be your reality very shortly. And again, those clicks won't cost you 1 red cent. So this brings me to my partner, Marc Gray. He's the one who discovered and developed the free buyer clicks for life system. Well, that's him right there. Marc used to be military, really badass guy. That's why he looks so badass, but he's really a big teddy bear. In real life, he's like the sweetest guy. Now, more on Marc in a second. First, let me make something clear here. To get up to 3,000 buyer clicks a month, generating thousands of dollars, all for free, we are not talking about any kind of a person, service, or company that's going to provide those clicks for you. Because if anyone who offers you thousands of clicks or even hundreds of clicks, either for free or barter, incentivized or super cheap, they will give you worthless junk clicks that won't make you a dime. If any marketer tells you otherwise, if they're trying to say, hey, you're going to get X amount of clicks from us, they are lying. They're not sending you buyer clicks. So what about us? How are you going to get all those clicks from us then? That's where the genius of my partner Marc comes in. He took one of the world's biggest websites, a website that's exclusively made for connecting with other people, and turned it into a fully automated, personless, contactless click farm. And no, I'm not talking about Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. This platform was never meant to be used for anything but connecting with others, yet Marc found a way to manipulate the algorithm to deliver thousands of highly motivated, ultra-targeted clicks daily, automatically, turning into thousands upon thousands of dollars monthly. Now here comes the best part. This website gets over 250 million clicks, 250 million clicks daily in all niches. And no one but Marc and I are using it to get automatic buyer clicks, at least no one that we know of. This means that even if we taught Marc's secret to 5,000 or 10,000 people, each one of those 5,000 or 10,000 people would still easily get thousands of buyer clicks each every single month. Our system is completely untapped and saturation proof with, again, 250 million daily clicks just begging to be turned into automated profits without ever chatting or talking or connecting with anyone. It all happens behind the scenes automatically. So this brings me to the most important part here today, your part. You see, Marc and I believe in full transparency. The free buyer clicks for life system will get you thousands of buyer clicks monthly if you follow our step-by-step directions. I know it seems like a no-brainer that you got to follow directions to get results, but I still like to mention it. And the good thing is that our directions are very easy to follow. If you can understand English, you can do it, which means you'll be getting thousands of buyer clicks monthly. So on that note, let me ask you, are you willing to follow our step-by-step, our easy step-by-step directions, which will generate thousands of buyer clicks? Are you? Well, if you answered yes, we can guarantee your results with 100% accuracy. You will end up with thousands upon thousands of, yes, bona fide buyer clicks streaming in daily, which, as you've seen here today, turns into a lot of money very quickly. Also, if you did answer yes, I would like to warmly and enthusiastically invite you to click the buy button below this video, make your way into our members area, and get ready for thousands upon thousands upon thousands of buyer clicks to come your way every single month consistently. Now, Should you, for some crazy reason, not get the results I promised you here today, we've got your back. Just let us know, and we will cheerfully refund every penny of your purchase. And we'll even let you keep the system. That's how confident we are that this is going to work for you. And if you're still wondering, is it really as simple as it sounds to generate endless and true buyer clicks using free buyer clicks for life? The answer is 100% unequivocally yes. Can you read simple directions? Do you understand English? Then you will get thousands of buyer clicks. You do have to follow our easy step-by-step directions again to get all those clicks, but as long as you're willing to do that, getting buyer clicks will never again be an issue for you. All right, thanks for your time today. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the members area.
A guy I've worked with online and known for over 10 years, Mark Ray, is one of these guys that doesn't come along very often. He is one of the most honest, hard-working, genuine and trustworthy guys that I have worked with in this business, and there's not too many of them left anymore. There really isn't. Anything Mark puts out is absolute gold, and I would advise anyone to jump on top of this because it hasn't been seen before. I haven't seen this method before. What he's teaching in this course, it is top notch, and it will be of no doubt benefit for you to jump on board.
Upgrades, OTOs, breakdown. Now let's talk about the OTOs. Here's what you'll see after purchasing the main product. OTO 1, recurring auto income. Double your earnings and turn your clicks into recurring commissions with less work required. OTO 2, DFY plug and play income. Get a done-for-you giveaway product and opt-in page that brings in daily buyer leads on autopilot. OTO 3, 1,500 extra clicks monthly. Add a free feature to rank your content on Google and get 50 plus extra clicks per day, plus access to a powerful LinkedIn group for posting your affiliate links. OTO 4, resell rights. Resell the entire system and keep 100% of the commissions, with support handled for you. Pick the OTOs that make sense for your goals and skip the rest. What I like. Beginner friendly and no outreach needed. Generates real buyer traffic that converts works in any niche. Builds recurring commissions with the right OTOs. What could be improved? Requires consistent daily effort for best results. Not a hands-off, instant money machine. You still need to implement the system. Final thoughts. If you're looking for an affordable, easy to follow way to get free buyer traffic that actually converts and want to grow your affiliate commissions, free buyer clicks for life is definitely worth checking out. You can grab it using my link below, and don't forget about the exclusive bonuses I've put together for you. They're waiting inside Warrior Plus. Thanks for watching my free buyer clicks for life review. If you found this helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and tips. See you in the next video.